Hello, friends. Welcome back to Mr. English Next podcast. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Amelie. We're so happy you're here with us today.
In today's episode, we'll talk about something simple but super useful, our daily morning routine.
Yes, you'll hear us talk, laugh, and share how we start the day, waking up, having breakfast, going to the gym, and getting ready for work.
It's an easy listening practice for your English. You'll learn daily words and natural phrases for everyday life.
So just relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat or shadow us if you can.
That's right. Don't worry about grammar. Just enjoy and learn step by step.
Are you ready? Let's begin our simple morning together.
Okay, it's time to wake up, stretch a little, and say, "Good morning!" What time is it? Oh no! 6:30 already? I wanted to wake up early today.
Good morning, sleepyhead. You're awake.
Morning, Amelie. You sound so fresh. Did you sleep well?
Very well. I slept like a baby. And you?
Not bad. I watched a movie last night and slept late.
Oh, no wonder you look tired. Come on, let's open the window. The air is fresh.
Yes, that feels good. The morning light looks nice.
I always like morning light. It helps me wake up.
You're right. Okay, I'm getting out of bed. My feet feel cold.
Put on your slippers, Lisa. I wear mine every morning.
Good idea. There, much better. So, what's our plan today?
Simple. Breakfast, gym, and then work.
Gym?
You go every morning? Almost. It gives me energy. Even 20 minutes helps.
Impressive.
I usually just drink coffee. Coffee is your gym. Exactly. Black and strong. It wakes me up faster than exercise. But coffee after breakfast is better. Let's eat first.
Sure. What's for breakfast today?
I'm thinking toast with peanut butter and a boiled egg.
Sounds perfect.
I'll make coffee. You handle the toast? Deal. Moving around the kitchen. Where's the bread? In the blue box on the counter. Oh, found it. Do you want one slice or two?
Two, please. I'm hungry this morning.
Great. Bread in the toaster and done. Smells so good.
I love this smell. Morning coffee is my favorite part of the day.
I like tea sometimes, but coffee gives a strong start.
True. Do you take sugar?
Just a little. You?
None. I like it pure and bitter.
You're brave.
Maybe. So, do you eat breakfast at home every day?
Most days, yes. It's cheaper and healthier.
I agree. Yesterday, I skipped breakfast. I was late for work.
That's bad. Breakfast gives power.
I know. Today, I'll eat like a queen.
Good. Okay, toast is ready. Here's your plate.
Two, please. I'm hungry this morning. Thank you. The egg looks perfect.
I boiled it for 7 minutes. Not too hard, not too soft.
Nice. You're a breakfast pro.
Maybe. I just enjoy small routines like this.
Me too. It feels calm and happy.
Right? Mornings are better when we don't rush.
Exactly. Let's sit by the window and eat.
Good idea. The sunlight is beautiful today.
Cheers to a good morning.
Cheers. And after breakfast, gym time.
Groaning playfully. Gym already? Can't we rest a bit? Okay, 5 more minutes.
Then we move. Deal. 5 peaceful minutes with coffee. The best part of the morning. Breakfast was so good today. I had my favorite toast with peanut butter and a boiled egg, and of course, a strong black coffee. I think breakfast is the most important meal. It really wakes me up. Yesterday I skipped it because I overslept, and I felt so tired at work. I like to take my time in the morning now. First, I stretch a little, arms, back, and even my neck. It feels so good. After that, I like to think about my day, what I need to do, and sometimes I just look outside the window. Today, the sun is shining, the air is fresh, and it makes me feel ready for anything. Then comes the gym part. Even if it's just a short 20 minutes, I usually do some stretching, a few jumping jacks, and maybe a little yoga. It wakes up my whole body. After that, a quick shower makes me feel completely fresh. I feel like I can take on the day, whether it's work, school, or just running errands. I love mornings when I can take my time, enjoy breakfast, do a little exercise, and feel prepared. That calm, organized start makes the day feel lighter and happier.
I see, Lisa. Wow, you really have a detailed routine.
Yeah, maybe too detailed sometimes, but it works for me.
I like it. It's motivating to hear how you plan your mornings.
Thanks. And little things matter, like having your bag ready, checking your keys, phone, wallet, small habits that make life easier.
True. Okay, now it's my turn. My morning starts a bit differently. I like to wake up early, around 6. I make my bed right away, smooth the sheets, fold the blanket. It sounds small, but it makes the room feel tidy and my mind calm. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. I sometimes sing a little while I shower. After that, I go to the kitchen. Breakfast for me is usually simple. Cereal with milk, sometimes yogurt with fruit. I love sitting by the window while I eat. The sun, the street outside, people walking. It feels peaceful. And then comes my little workout. I don't always go to a big gym, sometimes just a short 20-minute session at home. I stretch, do a few jumping jacks, maybe some squats. It's enough to wake me up completely. After the workout, I dress for the day. I pick my outfit depending on the weather and my mood. Smiling. Today it's warm, so I can wear a light shirt and comfortable pants. Then I pack my bag, laptop, notebook, water, keys, double check everything. I even take a moment to stretch again before leaving. Happy tone. By the time I step outside, I feel ready, calm, energetic, and ready for the day.
Wow, that sounds really nice, Amelie. I like how you mix calm breakfast time with exercise. Yes, it helps me stay energetic but relaxed. Maybe I should follow your exact routine someday. Yes, you'd feel amazing. It feels so nice outside today. The sun is warm, but not too hot, and the air is fresh. I love these little walks in the morning. It wakes me up even more than coffee sometimes. Yesterday, I rushed through the street, almost tripping on the sidewalk because I was late. But today, I'm taking it slow, enjoying the trees and the quiet streets. Oh, the flowers near the corner shop are blooming. So colorful. I like to notice small things like that. It makes me feel calm and happy. I wonder how Amelie likes her walks. Maybe she notices the same little details.
Walking also gives me time to think. I plan my day, think about what I'll do at work, and sometimes I just let my mind wander. I like these peaceful moments before the busy day begins. I like hearing that, Lisa. You really notice the little things. Yeah, I guess I do. And sometimes I like to wave at neighbors or see kids going to school. It's such a simple part of life, but it feels good. True. Small things can make the day brighter. My walk is a bit different, but I enjoy it just as much. I like to listen to soft music while walking, calm songs that help me focus. Sometimes I notice people, the shops, even small signs or advertisements. It helps me feel connected to the world without rushing. When I reach the cafe on the corner, I like to stop for a quick tea if I have time. It's relaxing to sit for a few minutes, look at the street, and just breathe. Yesterday, I didn't have time, so I skipped it, but today I can enjoy it. Walking slowly, sipping tea, watching people, it's a simple pleasure. Then I continue to work or school, feeling calm, focused, and ready.
That sounds lovely, Emily. I like how you mix a slow walk with small pleasures like tea. Yes, it makes a difference. Even 5 or 10 minutes of calm in the morning can change the whole day. Maybe next time I'll join you for tea. Yes, it'll be our little morning tradition. I like that idea. Walking, coffee or tea, noticing the world. Simple, but nice. Exactly. And little chats with friends make it even better. True. Even a few words while walking can lift your mood. I agree. That's why I enjoy mornings like this. Calm, simple, and full of small joys. Finally! I made it on time. I like to arrive a little early. It helps me feel calm before the busy day starts. Yesterday, I was late, and I felt stressed all morning. Today, I can take a deep breath and organize my things. My desk looks messy. I need to tidy it up. I'll put my notebook here, my pen case there, maybe my water bottle too. Smiling. That feels better already. I like having a clean space. It makes my mind clearer. Oh, my colleagues are already here. Hi, everyone. Waves. They are smiling and chatting. I like it when people are friendly in the morning. Laugh softly. One colleague came over and said, "Good morning, Lisa. Did you sleep well?" I said, "Yes, thank you. And you?" Smiling. We laughed together. I like these small talks. It makes me feel connected. Now I'll check my emails, read the schedule for the day, and prepare my notes. Simple things, but they make me ready. Hi, Lisa. Good morning. You look fresh today. My morning was calm too. I walked slowly and enjoyed a small tea break on the way here. I feel peaceful and ready. My workspace is neat. I like to organize my materials as soon as I arrive. I have my water bottle, my ID card, and my planner. Smiling, everything is ready for the day. Then I chat with a few classmates or colleagues. "Good morning, Emily," they say, and I answer, "Good morning. How are you today?" It's simple, but these little talks make me happy. Thinking, sometimes I notice small things too. The sunlight on the table, the quiet street outside the window, little joys before work begins. Smiling. Now I feel calm, focused, and ready to start.
Wow, you seem so organized, Amelie. I like how you notice small things too. Yes, it makes mornings peaceful. Simple routines, small talks, a clean desk, they all help. Maybe I need to try your style more often. Yes, you'd feel calm and ready for the whole day. Okay, time to start the day. I have a few emails to check and some notes to organize. Yesterday, I forgot to reply to one email, and it caused a little confusion. Today, I want to be careful. I open my laptop. The screen looks good. I check my messages and reply to a few quickly. I also need to prepare for the first task, a short report I promised to my colleague. I gather my papers and write down the main points. Everything seems okay so far. Oh, the printer is not working. That's a small surprise. No worries. I'll try again in a few minutes. Thinking, little challenges like this happen every day. I take a deep breath and smile. I feel proud of myself for staying calm and organized. Small steps, one after another, make the morning feel productive and happy.
Hi, Lisa. My first task is to review today's schedule. I like to start slowly and check everything carefully. I see that my lesson plan needs a small adjustment. No problem. I just make a quick note and continue. Then I organize my materials, notebooks, pens, laptop, water bottle, everything in order. I also prepare a short list of things I want to finish today. It helps me stay focused. Oh, someone called me about a last-minute meeting. A small challenge, but it's okay. I stay calm and I adjust my schedule. Even small surprises can be interesting. They make the day more dynamic. After that, I take a moment to stretch, look outside the window, and enjoy a deep breath. I feel ready, happy, and motivated for the day.
I like how you handle small surprises, Amelie. Staying calm really makes a difference.
Yes, even a busy morning can be positive if we take one step at a time.
And that's the key, friends. Small routines, calm minds, and a happy start.
Exactly. We hope you enjoyed our morning routine. Try it yourself. Wake up, have breakfast, stretch, maybe a little walk, and start your tasks calmly.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, and remember, every morning can be simple, peaceful, and useful. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.